What's up everybody, Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we are going to talk about the sort function. So if you for some reason don't want to use filters, anything like that, this is a great alternative. Let's say we get a huge table of data. We don't know what order we want it in, it's all jumbled, it doesn't matter. For some reason maybe we can't add filters, there's an issue, it's irrelevant. All you do equals sort, and this is the cool thing, it's pretty simple. Let's say filters weren't an option here. Highlight what you want to sort, then we will hit comma, sort index. All this is what column do you want to sort by? And think of it like this. First column, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to see it by the total. So we're going to go with the fourth column, sort order. I want to see it in descending, so I want that highest value, and then it's going to go all the way down to the lowest. Highest is going to be at the top. So just like it says, you hit -1. 1 would be ascending, so -1, comma. And our data is organized by row here. So what we have is we want it to go this way, find the highest value in the fourth column here, but it'll go by row. So we'll do false. You can either double click, or you can enter a 0 for false, 1 for true. Close those quotation marks, or close the parentheses, hit enter, and there it is. You have an array. Now you got this, not a problem. It just means the column is too narrow for the data. So you can either drag it across, or you can do the way I like to do it. Go right up here, instead of dragging, when you get this icon, click twice. Bang. There it is. You've got yourself some sorted data, and if you want to change it up, all you do is click on the first cell here. Maybe we want to see it ascending, so we want the lowest value and then the highest value. Just make that -1 a 1. And there it is. That's the sort function. It's a great way to get a quick overlook of your data. If for some reason filters aren't an option, because you could always just on the filters click this. You could go smallest to largest, largest to smallest, and so on. That's about it. If this has been helpful, great. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.